Hi, my Kindred. Welcome back to yet another vlog in Vlogmas. Right? How many times I'm going to say that? Never mind. So it's a new day. My daughter is not. My daughter has gone to school, right? And I'm at home, as you can see, looking. Listen, I think by now you'll understand, right? We have a relationship. You know, we cool with each other, right? Good. So I actually have a lot to do today. When don't I have a lot to do? Okay, so I have to go and run some errands, right? I also, you all know that I told you all that I am doing classes. So I have an assignment that I was supposed to submit since Friday. Today is Monday. I look at it, I do nothing. So I'm going to actually sit and do that much I could actually knock out. So come with me, let's go and do some assignments. But first, breakfast.
Society tells us the way to be happy is to achieve our goals. Get that great job, earn that money, get a good body, find a partner, have happy, healthy kids, have a big house, have a nice car, have holidays. Goal, 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 goal. And it's true that if you do actually manage to achieve these goals, then there is a little moment of joy and happiness. But how long does it last? How long before you're looking at the next goal, and then the next goal, and then the next goal? And as we live our life trying to constantly strive to achieve these goals, one after the other, how tiring and exhausting does it get? Is this you? There is a radically different way to live your life, which is a life based on values, a values-focused life. It's like two kids in the back of a car, and it's a 3-hour car journey to Disneyland. And the first kid is totally goal-focused. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? How much longer? Are we there yet? This journey of frustration, it's all about the goal. The second kid is values-focused. He's got the same goal. He wants to get to Disneyland. But he's also in touch with his values around curiosity, adventure, having fun. So he's looking out of the window, playing I Spy with My Little Eye. He's counting all the interesting farmhouses that he sees on the way. He's spotting interesting farm animals, cows and sheep. He's noticing different types of trucks and cars on the freeway. So he's actually appreciating the journey as he heads towards his goal. Now, they both reach Disneyland at the same time. They both have a fantastic time at Disneyland because they both got to achieve the goal. But the first kid had a journey of frustration. The second kid had a fulfilling, rewarding journey. Then on the way home, the first kid, are we home yet? Are we home yet? Are we home yet? All about the goal, all that frustration. Second kid's looking out of the window, noticing how the world looks different at night, spotting the lights in the farmhouses and the cat's eyes on the freeway. The car breaks down on the way to Disneyland. Now both kids are really disappointed because neither of them achieved their goal. But The second kid at least had a fulfilling journey up until that point. Now, when the pickup truck arrives to tow them home, the first kid, "Oh, it's not fair. I want to go to Disneyland. How long before the car gets repaired? It's not fair. It's not fair." The second kid starts to notice how the world looks different when you're sitting in the front of a pickup truck high above the level of the rest of the traffic. So this is the very important distinction between the values-focused life and the goal-focused life. In the values-focused life, we have the fulfillment and satisfaction of living our values every step of the way towards our goals, the satisfaction of achieving our goals, and the fulfillment that comes of living our values even when we don't achieve our goals.
Okay guys, so from viewing that, going into 2023, let me know, are you living your life goal focused or are you living value focused? Do you have goals just to achieve them, or do you see the values of your goals? Comment down below. Let's have a conversation amongst each other. Somebody else's opinion might help somebody else. Okay guys, so I'm finished with the assignment that I needed to post, right? And I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy. I just think because the fan breeze, because the fan was like directly on me, and the place getting overcast right now. I'm so sleepy. Oh my word. So I try to wake myself up a little bit by repositioning the couch, right? And I put the Christmas tree right next to me here. I have errands to run, so I'm going to get ready to head out. Yeah. Okay guys, so okay. Okay guys, so I'm ready to head out. Probably might bring you with me. I don't know. Okay? It's a natural face, marks and all. Cause listen, I ain't doing it. Right? Marks and all. That's okay, right? So I'm just wearing this on the top here. Right? So this is what we're wearing today. Just cute little top. And I'm wearing this little piece here, right? So all my little stuff will be in here. And shoes. I ain't gonna show you my shoes. It's time for us to go. It's after 12. Ooh, I need a car vacuum cleaner. But I would like to have a vacuum cleaner that is that could work with in the car and in the home at the same time. And I also need a drill. A handheld. This one looking a impact wrench. No, not that I need. Something like this, or even this, right? Or even these, right? We're in a little adventure on the outside. Other things that they have. Ooh, at these storage bins, and they're pretty large. For the men who may watch my videos and need things like these, they have it here. And the one thing I love about here is a one-stop shop. All my handymen in my videos who look at my videos, we have it all here for you all. You have boots and stuff, electrical items, everything you could think about in a hardware, they have it here. That's why I love to come here. It's a one-stop shop, right? So this is for my guys. Right, y'all have it all: plumbing, electrical, painting, anything you can think about, right? You can get it here. It have all further down, but I'm just not going. for us women, we have art painting here. Or who may be interested in art, right? Gift wrapping. And you know what? Christmas is coming, my favorite time of year. So, ooh, I love this. Price of it. We just on an event here. Right? We're not really buying much, we're just watching what they have. Okay. Ooh, these are cute for just decor. I like these. Lamps. When it is I sort out my bedroom, I need to get me some lamps. I hate to even have all of these here. Ooh, I need to get one of my other certificates and have it like a photo wall type thing or achievement wall. Ooh. These are nice. Some plaques that we can give as gifts. Right, here's a gifts paper and bag section. So you know you have a variety of them.
One is 13.95 and the one is 14.95. The 18 penny tenning.
Ooh, this be cute for my daughter when learning time. Right, they have like shoes and socks and hats. I actually like the Nike hats that they have. Right? Ooh, let me see this cross. Well, of course, that's too small for me. They also have a clothing section. I like to come here and buy some of my daughter's stuff, right? Especially like the vests and stuff. It works out for me. But they have nice baby clothes also. But we're not at that stage at the moment, so I am. I actually have the black teddies. I really love them. Excuse me. Blue. You don't have any more blue ribbons? Oh, the last sky blue. Hopefully, or am I going in a week time? No? Sorry.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Guys, I can't go through this entire store. I will be overdoing it. They have stationaries as well. Another day we will come and another day we will come back. We will see the other parts of the store. For people who wants a handheld steamer, because I've been asked about that before.
Yeah, boy, you eating already? And it's every food.
insert.